Hi Sunny family, my name's Eloisa and I'm so excited to be here with you today. We are gonna do a 15-minute beginner rowing workout. So first thing I want you to make sure is that your legs are fully clipped in. Next, I want you to grab the handlebar. Do not hold on tightly. I want this to be loose. If you can do your fingertips, that is great. And we are gonna start with our 30-second warm up. So row, back. This should be easy. We are just warming up your body. First thing you have to do, kick through your legs. Everything with rowing is in 3 sets. So your first set is 60% legs, 20% abs, and then 20% arms. Right here, you have 5 more seconds, and then I want you to do legs only so we understand where to finish. So take it in, legs only, hold right there. Take it in, legs only. We're warming up. Make sure your back is straight and you're pushing through your legs. Breathe. If you feel you can, take it up a little bit. If not, just leave it right there. Now I want you to leave it out, arms only. Pull through, pull back. The key is once your legs move, you have to pull your arms after your abs, so right there. Pull back. 15 seconds right here, we're still warming up. Again, if you can take it heavier, take it a little bit heavier. 2, 1, and work on those abs. So what I'm gonna do is release your legs first, abs back. Abs back. I'm not pulling with my arms. This is full abs. Warm them up because we are gonna row fast. After this, we have a HIIT, and then we have an arm sequence, and then one more HIIT. Keep it right there. So like I said, this is a 3-part movement. Everything is done in 3s. And take it down, hold your high five in the back, and bring it forward, stretch into your body. And then like we're doing 3s, I want you to take 3 deep breaths. First, we're gonna inhale the good stuff in life and exhale all that bad stuff, push it out. Next, we're gonna set our intention for the class. Inhale whatever you intend to do. It can be row a little bit faster. It can be get your numbers up, anything. Inhale that intention, but exhale expectations. And your last one, eyes closed. Inhale anything you want to accomplish in your life and push out any negative thoughts towards that. All right, we're gonna take it up. I want this to be medium intensity. So whatever that means to you, we're gonna do 1 minute. I want you to keep it steady. So rowing is actually a team sport. And so we are all in this together right now. So 1 minute right there. Keep your arms loose and breathe. Now on that 3 count, we do our legs, abs, arms. And with that 3 count, it is also a pull for 1, in for 2, 3. Pull for 1, in for 2, 3. Pull for 1, in for 2, 3. So it is a little different than running or biking. Let's keep it right there. Start to speed up a little bit. Just to get used to it. Kick through your legs, pull. Make sure you're sitting up straight and breathe. In through your nose, out through your mouth when you release. In through your nose, out through your mouth. 10 seconds right here. We're gonna take it down for 30 seconds. That either means you can slow down your row or you can lessen your intensity. So I'm gonna take down my intensity to about a 4 and we're gonna lower it. For 30 seconds, I really want you to breathe here because then we're gonna go 30 seconds hard. And that, I want you to push. I want you to give it everything. Like I said, 1 team, 1 sport. Get there. and bring up your intensity, and we're gonna bring up your speed, and let's go. 30 seconds, all out. This is everything you got. Kick through your legs, pull through your abs, use your arms. Keep that going. These last 10 seconds, push everything you got. Want it right there. Let's go. And take it down. 30 seconds light. Breathe. Because we have one more sprint. One more sprint. So I love rowing because it's low intensity, but works every single muscle. Your legs, your abs, your arms, your heart. It's cardio, it's everything. Push through your legs and through your abs. And at 30 seconds, run with me. We're right here. Stay together. If you need to take a break, but try to push. Breathe. "15 seconds, let's try and go a little bit harder. Push through your legs. Like I said, that's 60% of your workout. So push there, lean with your abs, pull with your arms. And let's take it down. So we're gonna work on arms a little bit right now. I want you to keep your legs straight with a little bit of bend. Don't lock them. Underhand grip. Take this to a little higher of resistance because it's all arm work, and pull it back. So in our next HIIT, we're gonna go over how I think of rowing, which I think about it as being able to fly, because we jump with our legs, then we use our abs, and then we fly with our arms. So right now, we're building that muscle to be able to fly in a minute. 3 more seconds. Pull, pull. And now overhead grip. We're working on that right there. Just pull to your chest. Keep your back straight. Pull fully. Again, we are building those wings, which I call these back muscles, because I think we all can fly and make this beautiful. Breathe. Two, one, and let's take it down again to a medium intensity and start to row full out. So the reason I think rowing is like flying is because I imagine there's magic dust in here. Like Peter Pan is pixie dust, and it hits our feet first, then our abs, then our arms. So we jump before we can fly. And on that 3 count that I'm including, you jump, you fly, and then you soar. So we're soaring when we're coming down. Jump, fly, soar. Jump, fly, soar. Keep it at that medium. Take it down, resistance or speed. This is where you're taking that breather, so then you can fully fly in 30 seconds. Keep it there. Breathe, shoulders back, abs engaged, arms getting ready to fully take off. Remember not to push through your heels, but to push through the flat of your foot. And let's go. 30 seconds, full out. Breathe. We are flying together, we are jumping, and then we are flying. Jump, fly, soar. Jump, fly, soar. Jump, fly, soar. Keep it there. So I think everybody's doing a great job and can actually keep up. I'm gonna add another 15 seconds to this. Pull all out. When you're rowing as a team and somebody's in front of you, sometimes you have to push that extra 15 seconds to get back to the boathouse. 2, 1, and take it to easy. Breathe right there. Full on easy. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna have another hard row, and then we're gonna go back to that arms workout. 3. Keep it there. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Pixie dust, magic, legs, abs, arms. And let's push. We are in this together, 30 seconds, all out. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Push. If you need to take a breather, take a breather. And let's slow it down. Again, legs, do not lock your knees, keep them open. Underhand, right there. And if you can, make that resistance a little bit stronger. We are just strengthening our wings, so then we can fly a little bit faster. We have this, and then overhead, 45-second sprint, and then we are finished, and we just get a stretch and cool down. Best part. And so pull, 30 seconds. Again, make it a little heavier if you can, because I want you to also build that lean muscle. We are doing cardio, we are doing legs, we are building muscle. Breathe. 10 seconds, keep it there. 7, 6, do 5 more. We can do 5 together. 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 second sprint. So our sprint, besides building our muscles, is also helping our heart, which makes us stronger. Just keep it there. Just breathe. So like I did the last time, we can do 5 more full strokes. Legs, abs, arms. Legs, abs, arms. 3 more, legs, abs, arm. Jump, abs, fly. Jump, abs, fly, and cool it down. 30 seconds medium. I want to take your heart rate down a little slow. We don't want to just stop right away. So 30 seconds, a medium. Again, let's watch our form during this. Do not grab onto this for dear life. Light fingers, light abs, light back. Breathe. Three, 2, 1. And I want to take you to light. I want almost 0 resistance on this. I want it at about the 1. And just focus on your technique here. Don't go too fast. Just stay right there. Slowly focusing on that, kicking through the legs, leaning with the abs, pulling with the arms. Focus, breathe. Focus on that breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Focus on that magic dust. 2, 1. And let's take it down. We're gonna stretch those arms out because I worked on them. Pat yourself on the back for getting through this. Hold that arm. When you're patting yourself, focus on patting those wings that we worked on. And bring it forward. Take those wrists down across your body. And switch arms, left side. Pat yourself on the back again. Feel that wing muscle you really worked on. And bring it forward. Take it down. And then we are gonna finish the class the same way we started. 3 deep breaths, because this is a 3-part workout. In through your nose, out through your mouth. You did it, you got through it. Intentions for the rest of your day. I intend to fill in the blank. And one more intention. I intend to eat healthy, do another push-up, whatever you want, and push it out. Thank you so much for being here with me. That was really fun, and I hope you join me again.